The liver is one of the most vital organs in the human body, playing a crucial role in detoxification, metabolism, and overall health. It acts as a natural filter, removing toxins and waste products from the bloodstream, and aids in digestion by producing bile. Additionally, the liver stores essential nutrients, synthesizes proteins, and regulates blood sugar levels. Given its myriad functions, maintaining liver health is paramount for overall well-being. By adopting a liver-friendly lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, we can support this hard-working organ, ensuring it continues to perform its essential functions efficiently. Taking care of your liver not only enhances your body's detoxification processes, but also boosts your energy levels, immunity, and long-term health. Here are the top 7 liver-cleansing foods that can help support liver health and detoxification. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. It's also rich in selenium, a mineral that enhances the antioxidant action of the liver. 2. Leafy green spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are high in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the bloodstream and neutralizes heavy metals, protecting the liver. 3. Beets. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like folate, pectin, and betalains, which help reduce inflammation, detoxify the liver, and promote the regeneration of liver cells. 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps boost the production of bile, which aids in the digestion and elimination of toxins. 5. Lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which stimulate the production of liver detoxification enzymes. They also help the liver produce bile, aiding in digestion and detoxification. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants like glutathione, which is essential for detoxifying the liver and protecting it from damage. 7. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant that improves liver function and helps flush out toxins. It also aids in reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support liver health and enhance your body's natural detoxification processes. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized nutritional advice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. By doing so, you'll turn on notifications and always be the first to see our new content.